my second job I've got to do when we are off grid, but we still need 250 volt electricity because
I need my straighteners because my hair gets very, very wild and fuzzy. Plus hairdryer, which I very rarely use, but sometimes I do. And you need to use the microwave and the TV when we're off grid. I don't want to miss any programmes.
don't. And what I need it for is I need to be able to carry on flying this bad boy, which is my DJI drone, and these things use a lot of batteries very quickly, so I need to be able to charge my 4 drone batteries with 240 volts. Hence why we have decided to purchase this 2000 watt inverter. Did you get in there?
Sort of.
Did I cover you up? 2000 watt inverter, which basically converts 12 volt DC into 240 volts. So her ladyship will be able to use her items.
The straighteners, which is a must. Hairdryer, which is a half must.
Half must. And I will let you know how the installation goes, won't I?
Yes. Bye.
Bye. I've also bought 2 of these 4-way connectors, so I'm going to swap out 2 of the connectors on the batteries. These aren't cheap. These are £10 each, would you believe? So that goes over the terminal, and you've got 4 ways to actually connect to the terminal. These are my AGM batteries, and the terminals on it, you're a bit limited to connect other things to it. Well, that was a very fun job. The only room I had where I was happy to mount this inverter is there. So it's actually standing up. I've come through 2 bolts on the outside, and then it's hanging off the floor about 3 inches. That way I can see the display without having to struggle. So let's just plug this drill in. See if that works. Switch it on with the remote. Oh, we have power. Now that display is reading 12.8. That is a drill working off the leisure batteries through the inverter.